Bathed in golden sunlight, a young girl stands in a vibrant field, her joyful song a testament to innocence and freedom.
Her voice, pure and clear, rises to meet the heavens, echoing the simple beauty of self-acceptance and the wonder of divine creation. The scene radiates warmth, captivating the audience with a symphony of visual and auditory delight. The art studio bursts into life as children's hands dance with paintbrushes, their eyes reflecting pure concentration and joy. Each child's unique self-expression blossoms, filling the space with laughter and radiant smiles. A celestial ballet unfolds above, as stars weave a heart, symbolizing the warmth and connection binding these young artists together. The narrator muses. Every little part of me it sings. God's handprints are on everything, underscoring the divine spark within each child. In a vibrant field, children form a circle of unity, their rhythmic stomps and claps echoing a joyous celebration of self-worth. Their voices rise in unison, declaring, "I am fearfully and wonderfully made. God made me bright. God made me brave." As they jump in jubilation, fireworks of light explode in the background, painting the sky with bursts of color and reinforcing the theme of celebration and self-worth. The scene pulses with energy, a visual symphony of movement and light that celebrates the inherent value and potential of each child. Children frolic along a winding forest trail, a tapestry of laughter echoing through the trees. Above, sparkling stars twinkle in the daylight sky, casting an ethereal glow upon the majestic mountains. In a moment of destiny, a boy clutches a scroll emblazoned with the powerful declaration, "You are chosen." As he grasps the scroll, a whispers to his soul. The stars, they dance and mountains cheer. I've got a purpose. It's crystal clear. A child, with unwavering confidence, sprints towards the beckoning light, each stride a dance of freedom and hope. A dove descends from the heavens, gently alighting on the child's shoulder, a symbol of peace and divine guidance. As the child continues forward, softly echoes, "Every breath and step I take was lovingly planned, no mistake." In a sun-drenched field, children dance with joyful abandon, their voices rising in a harmonious chorus of self-acceptance. Golden light dances across their faces as they sing, transforming each child into a beacon of innocence and delight. With each spin and stomp, their dance becomes a vibrant expression of newfound confidence and unbridled joy. Their voices blend in harmony as they sing, "I am fearfully and wonderfully made," echoing with the sweet resonance of self-love and acceptance. Across diverse landscapes, children erupt in a symphony of joy, their clapping hands and stomping feet echoing in rhythm. The joyous beat of "clap your hands" resonates, inviting all to join in the infectious merriment. As the command "stomp your feet" reverberates, the ground trembles with the collective enthusiasm of youthful exuberance. The air crackles with uncontainable delight, a testament to the pure, unadulterated joy that knows no bounds. A flurry of youthful energy propels children up the verdant hillside, their tiny hands anchoring them to the earth in a race to the summit. Breathless yet victorious, the children crest the hill, raising banners declaring divine love and chosen status against the radiant sky. Bathed in golden sunlight, the children's faces radiate joy as they sing, "Sing it loud, shout it high, God's love is my battle cry." Their voices echo across the landscape, a chorus of faith and innocence carried on the gentle breeze.